Hey, it's Irene Chanthapraseut. I am back at Solterra, Texas, and today I'm going to be highlighting Highland Homes. This is one of my favorite builders. And at this community, they have 7 floor plans. They're all 4 bedrooms on 50-foot lots, starting in the 400s. Let's take a look.
Step into Solterra, Texas, where history meets modern luxury. Formerly a 1,400-acre family farm, this has transformed into a vibrant community. Discover an 8-acre amenity and pool complex, a serene 25-acre lake, and over 15 miles of hiking and biking scenic trails, a meeting and special events ballroom, fitness facility, dog parks, pickleball courts, and so much more expected to be completed in 2025. Just a short 13-mile drive from downtown Dallas with convenient access to major highways. Choose from 13 esteemed builders, each offering unique floor plans and features tailored to your desires. Don't miss your chance to be part of something truly extraordinary. Homes are selling quickly, so reach out today for the latest updates.